Hey Nate, I want to visit a showroom. Just a quick look. I will give you a minute.
Okay, let's go. Here, this row is our AI vending machine with camera solution. This one is an elevator, need to pick up. This one is a non-refrigerating for lucky balls or toy or clothing. And here is our weight sensing smart fridge vending machine. We have double door and we have a single door here. This one is a full screen vending machine. This one is a snack and drink combo. And here we have this one. It's a refrigerated locker. It's suitable to sell meat, flour, and milk. And this one is an elevator, need to pick up vending machine. Here we have a Y machine. These are the weight sensing smart fridge, combo snack and drink, and the slave box can sell some snacks. These two are our toy vending machine. And all here is weight sensing smart fridge. So welcome to our showroom.